Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So if you want to take a break from the Instagram account but you don't want to delete it permanently, here's what you'll have to do. Let's go forward and open the Instagram application right here. I'm going to hit the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then at the top right corner I'm going to choose the icon with the 3 lines, and then I'm going to settings and privacy. So for us to be easier, I'm going to use the search bar right here and search for deactivate, and this option should be popping out, deactivation or deletion right here. And basically this is the account center of our Instagram account, and I'm going to select the Instagram account right here. And as you can see, we have these two options: deactivating account, which is temporarily, or deleting account. We are going to choose the deactivate account option for this one, and hit continue. So basically right here you will have to insert the password of your Instagram account, and after that you'll have to hit continue. So basically the account would be deactivated. Once you do that, you can always re-log into your account and reactivate it back on. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.